Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get signatures from multiple people in Docusign in 2024. Whether it's contracts, agreements, or any document requiring several signatures, Docusign makes the process seamless and efficient. Start by heading to the Docusign website and logging in. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one using the sign up option. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Docusign homepage, your central hub for managing all documents and signatures. Next, click Start to enter the document preparation phase. Once your document is ready, click Add Recipient and select the option to add multiple recipients. Enter the names and email addresses of everyone who needs to sign. Double check these carefully to avoid delays. Docusign also lets you set a signing order if needed and customize the email message accompanying the request, giving it a professional touch. After everything is set, send the document. You can monitor the progress in real time, see who has signed and who's still pending. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently request and manage multiple signatures, saving time and ensuring your documents are handled securely.